Hello, Assalamu alaikum, and welcome to lesson number 8, Vertical Harakaat, on page 14. Now, this lesson is very much similar to the last lesson we learned about madda. So, ya madda, waw madda, and alif madda. And the way a madda is formed was that if there is a sukun on ya, and that becomes ya sakina. And so if there is a kasra before ya sakina, it becomes ya madda. And as a result, we prolong it to one alif or 1 second. Likewise for waw, if a waw sakina has a dhamma before it, that becomes waw madda, and we prolong it to one duration, so 1 second or one alif. And same goes for alif. If there is a alif with a sukun, so alif sakina, and before that, if there is a fatha, that becomes alif madda, and hence we prolong it to one duration. Now, in this lesson number 8, we are going to learn about vertical fatha, vertical kasra, and vertical dhamma. And what it does is it basically shortens everything. So you remember here, instead of writing this sukun and before that fatha and everything, we simply use this vertical fatha, which means alif, fatha, with the alif sukun. So alif madda, and before that alif fatha. So alif madda, before that alif fatha, which would make that an elongated alif. Now this vertical fatha, kasra, and dhamma simply simplifies it to one single symbol instead of having all these things. So what I mean here is this ba vertical fatha simply means that this ba has a fatha, and after that there is a alif with a sukun. So that would make it ba. Likewise here, this ta would be with a kasra, and then a ya with a sukun. So ya sakina, and before that kasra would make that ya sakina a ya madda, and then this b would become b. So this is the shorter form of this. So this, and this. So ba fatha alif madda. Ba is the short form here. It's ba vertical fatha. Ba. Likewise, ba dhamma waw madda. Bu becomes short of ba vertical dhamma. Bu. Sorry, this is ta. And I hope you get the idea. So let us get started. Ba, bi, bu, ta, ti, tu, tha, thi, thu, tha, thi, thu, tha, thi, thu, do, di, do, tha, thi, thu, tha, thi, thu, tha, thi, thu, qa, qi, qu. This should be ka, ki, ku. Next, qa, qi, qu, ha, hi, hu, ha, hi, hu. For alif and hamza, they're the same. So I, u. Next, a, i, u, دا دي دو خا خي خو غا غي غو با بي بو ما مي مو و وي وو فا في فو لا لي لو نا ني نو را ري رو جا جي جو شا شي شو يا يي يو. الحمد لله.